Ready? There you go. Santiago, what is something you're thankful for? The Catchbox device is a microphone, and I can pull it out. Here's the microphone, but it goes into this box so that the kids can toss it around and around, and they can use it to talk into, and it comes out through the speaker so that I can hear their voice. The reason I got it is my COVID experience. Unfortunately, I didn't get COVID, but somehow I lost my hearing, and after much to do, I got a cochlear implant, but it's still hard to hear the kids with the masks. And so that's how it helps me. The very first day I got it, we sat on the floor and I just had everybody put it up to their mouth, and they would talk and they would say, hello, my name is, just so they got used to it. It wasn't difficult. They got it within a day. And I have students who have speech issues, and they are excited to talk and try and talk even with their speech difficulties. I have some stutterers, I have some who have processing issues, and a selective mute, and so all of them want to contribute because it's fun to use the box. Anybody can use a Catchbox to help them listen and hear what their students are saying and get those students involved and engaged with the lesson.